Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you modern sofa cover design. Sofa covers are one of the luxurious way of life for every home. It is the best decorative piece to renovate the room while also providing great protection of your favorite furniture. The sofa makes the living room more lively and allows us to sit comfortable and relax with family and friends. This is the reason why the sofa covers are necessary and used in almost all homes. It not only gives great looks but also protects your sofa from tear and wear. The colorful patchwork sofa cover design will give your sofa a very vibrant look. If your sofa is L-shaped or corner combined two parts separately, then you need to have two-piece corner for it. It suits most type of the sofa like fabric sofa, leather sofa. It is the best sofa cover to protect your sofa from water, dust and stains. It spruces up your living room and impress your guests with the beautiful sofa cover design. This sofa cover can be used on all types of sofas. It has a beautiful flower prints which give you a warm and refreshing summer feeling. It also gives your furniture protection from spills, stains and wear to prevent it from getting spoiled. It is perfect cover for you if you are looking for some refreshing print covers. Traditional sofa covers are the best fit sofa for your living room. It gives a classic traditional look to your sofa and also spruces up your living room. It is easy to maintain and is a beautiful piece to cover your sofa. This is a luxurious sofa cover. It gives your room a royal look. White sofa covers are very pretty to look, but it is challenging when it comes to maintaining. Because of the white color, you need to wash the color frequently and you also have to make sure that you do not spill anything on the cover as it might leave a stain on it. Solid color sofa cover revamp your living room decor with this sofa cover. This beautiful red color make it a must-have sofa covers in your collection. You can go for and solid color according to your living room wall color, or you can contrast the sofa cover with different element of your living room. Leather sofa cover is luxurious. Blue color sofa's cover is made from premium quality leather. These sofa covers are more durable and long lasting. The leather keeps the furniture safe from pets, stains and spills. The length of this sofa cover is made to fit perfectly so that it does not give a messy look to your sofa. These are luxurious and classy, which easily matches any type of room and its ambience. Sofas come in all forms, shapes and size. The attractiveness of sofa depends on many factors including your living room design and color scheme as well as your personal preference. There are fabric sofas, leather sofas, reclining sofas, sofa beds and more. Each type of sofa has its own unique appeal and function. In this video, we will be talking about one of the most affordable, convenient and versatile sofas in the market, the slipcover sofa. A slipcover sofa is simply a couch with a sofa cover that can be removed and changed if so needed. Just as you remove and change your clothes, you can remove and change the sofa cover. This gives the slipcover sofa a few advantages. The immediate advantage is having a slipcover sofa is of course maintenance. Since the sofa cover can always be removed and dry cleaned, stains are not that big of a deal. This makes slipcover sofas ideal for families with young children or pets who could potentially dirty the furniture. Slipcover sofas are more affordable than fixed cover sofas and in more ways than one. If you are intent to freshen up your living room and change the design of your sofa, for example, the cost of buying a new sofa cover is dramatically lower than the cost of your sofa all over again. Additionally, taking off your sofa cover and sending it to the dry cleaners is more affordable than hiring expensive cleaning service. It is a common misconception that slipcover sofas are not as premium as fixed upholstery. While it is true that curtain type of sofas will not look good with sofa covers, it really depends on manufacturer skills and quality when producing these products. A well-made slipcover sofa is nearly from an upholstered sofa. Where we host guests at home a lot, we want our living room furniture to be beautiful and exciting as possible. While there are viable methods like trading in your old sofa for a new one, buying a new sofa cover is still the more cost-effective way. This makes slipcover sofas very versatile with regards to design. You can always buy sofa covers to match the new them of the air. In the midst of today increasing ecological consciousness, we want to be sure that a consumer we are doing our part of lesson. Eco-friendly habits like using your own metal straws at restaurants and reusable grocery bags are increasing popular. We should take a similar attitude toward interior design and buying furniture. Instead of buying brand new sofas and get rid of the old one. Slipcover sofas are more eco-friendly because sofa covers are reusable. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.